So guys, this is the comparison of Samsung Odyssey 32 G81 SF versus the MSI MPG21 URXW. So as you can see guys, the G8 is brighter, and I take this video in a very bright room now. So the reflection of G8, as you can see from the left, and my reflection on the right. So in person guys, the G8 is more shine, more brighter, but as you can see in the image, the small light is little bit pop on the MSI compared to G8 because of the coating, semi gloss coating. But it's not big different guys. A bit softer on the G8, but the color also is more brighter on the G8. But it has like mm, because of the matte coating, it has like mm, you know what, I can explain it. It's softer. So as you can see at the side also, the glossiness, the semi glossiness of the MSI is shiny. Like the color is alive or clear, bit clear. So this is both default. So guys, I believe for the Samsung 32G8 is fourth generation already, and this MSI is third generation. So that's all guys. If I choose one, maybe I will keep it both. I will not choose one. But for me, if I pick up the best one, I will pick up the MSI because of the semi-gloss. But there is good thing also on matte coating. Um, I didn't have even one scratches on that screen. That's the good thing. Compare this one, I already has a scratch like hairlines scratch if you check closer on the screen. So guys, that's it for now.